Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Clear skies right now in the Rogue Valley. Temperatures are starting to cool off. We're at 54 degrees right now. A very light north-northwest breeze at 3 miles per hour in Medford. Temperatures east of the Cascades, some spots already below freezing, down to the 20s right now in Lakeview, 26 at 17 in Christmas Valley. We're at 38 in Mount Shasta and 48 degrees in Brookings. So we have mainly clear skies out there, and we will be seeing the potential, at least, for some more areas of freezing fog to develop again in some of our west side valleys, especially the Grants Pass area and also parts of the east side. But there will be winds picking up tonight up in the mountains. We have an area of high pressure just to the east. That's what's going to create those easterly winds. But other than that, that high pressure is pretty strong. So it's going to keep things very quiet up and down the west coast as we head through this week. The storm track is going to go up to the north and around us over the next several days here. Winds, they are a little bit breezy up in some of the higher terrain. That's going to be the case as we head through tonight. Winds will stay fairly light in the valleys, and as you can see through the day on Tuesday, notice those winds pretty gusty up in the Cascades and Siskiyous. We may see breezes pick up in the Rogue Valley, especially the south end of the Rogue Valley towards Ashland tomorrow, but then winds really back off as we head into Wednesday, and the concern with that is that we're going to have some very stagnant air. There's not going to be a lot of mixing, and there's an air quality alert, air stagnation advisory that's been issued. It'll start at 7 o'clock tonight for inland valleys, both west and east of the Cascades, and it goes until 10 a.m. Friday. There's another little weak system on Friday and late Thursday that could mix up the atmosphere enough where we will see air quality improve, but there will be some reductions in air quality at times over the next several days because of this stagnant air mass. Tonight, the other big story will be those cold temperatures down to 9 in Lakeview, 12 in Klamath Falls. We'll drop down to 27 in Medford, 25 in Mount Shasta, and 39 in Brookings. Tomorrow, any low clouds and freezing fog that develop for inland valleys, it'll clear pretty quick, and we should see plenty of sunshine through the afternoon. Gusty winds mainly up in our higher terrain, up to 57 in Medford, low 40s expected for the basin. You can see on Stormcast showing at least some of that freezing fog and low cloudiness developing, especially east of the Cascades. But as we head throughout the afternoon, lots of sunshine. We'll see a mainly sunny day on Wednesday as well. Temperatures in the afternoon getting milder and above average. But notice some increased cloud cover on Thursday, but we do expect it to stay dry, including for the coast. But look at Wednesday, highs up near 60 or right around 60. And we'll also look for some warmer weather for the Rogue Valley. Highs up around 60 on Wednesday with plenty of sunshine, and then slightly cooler on Thursday with those increased clouds passing by. Your 7-day forecast shaping up like this. We stay dry as we head through the work week and even into the start of the weekend, but forecast models hinting at a change towards wetter conditions into next week. Some forecast models bring that system in on Sunday, others hold off until Monday, so we'll be keeping a close eye on that. Northern California, sunny the next couple of days, cold mornings, but some milder afternoons over the next few days. The Klamath Basin, those cold nights will continue, but upper 40s for highs potentially on Thursday, so a bit milder and above average. The mountains, good travel weather this week. We will see some gusty winds though tomorrow. Those winds relax on Wednesday, and then in the Rogue Valley, a very quiet stretch of weather. We will be concerned in our valleys though for maybe some stagnant air and some reductions in air quality, but that should improve overall this weekend and eventually getting some wet weather into next week.